Good morning students. Now HS2ndyr commerce, it is CMST class. Students, question number 14 that day we have done. 15 is similar like that of 14, so I expect you will do at home and you will submit it as homework. Now question number 16, they said what? So of course exercise 4a, question number 16 we are going to do. First I will explain the question. The average marks obtained by two groups of students in an examination are 75 and 85. If the average marks of all the students is 80, find the ratio of students in the two groups. So what they have said, that average marks of two groups of students is given as 75 and 85. So given average of first group, suppose it is x1 bar, it is given as 75, and average of second group x2 bar, it is given as 85. If the average marks of all the students is 80, now students, ratio of students we have to find. So we have to take this one. If m number of students in first group and n number of students in second group, if I take this type of things, then average of total, this will be what? Average of total, suppose if I take x bar, then here you see this x bar means what? Sum of all the students into divided by the number of students is 75. So here we can write that sum of students of first and second group divided by total number of students m plus n. Now x bar, total of this one they have given as 80. Sum of students of first group, how can we get? It is the sum of students divided by m. So 75 m will be the number of students in first group. If we multiply this by n, then it will be the sum of students in second group divided by m plus n. Now if we do the cross multiplication, 80m, 80n, 75m, 85n. If I take 75 in this side and subtract, it is 5m, and if we deduct, it is 5n. So m divided by n is 5 by 5, that is 1:1. So this is the answer, that what we can say, that average marks obtained by two students in this way. So how we have done? They have given average. If we multiply any average, main thing is here depends on this one, that if we multiply this by the number, then it will be the sum of students of first group. If we multiply this by the total number of students in second group, then it will give the sum of students in second group. Actually that too, that is, this is multiplied by m, this is multiplied by n, they will give the total number of students That's why these students, that is marks of two groups, it is numerator divided by the number of total students, it is m plus n. This is given as 80. After cross multiplication we get this one is 1:1. So this way we can do. So I expect that 15, that is your homework, and you will try to do this one. Now question number 17. Question number 17, it is like that the average wage of a male workers working in a factory is rupees 80 and number of male worker is 100. The average wage of female workers is 70 and their number is 50. Find the average wage of all the workers taken together. I little shortly I will do. So total average, total, that is that one, it is what? Total number of, that is total average wage, it will be wage of both male and female, that is total wages of both male as well as female divided by total numbers of male and female. Here total wages of both male and female, how can we calculate? Average wage of male is 80 and number of male workers is 100. So if we multiply 80 with 100, then it will be what? Now total wages given to the male. I again want to repeat. Average wage of wages, yes, average wage of male workers is rupees 80 and their number is 100. Average given 80, numbers given 100. So their product will be what? Total wages given to male workers, and it is number of this one. Female workers is 100 and their wage is 70. So again, in average you multiply with 100. Sorry, in female it is 50. So then how it will be? I again repeat. Average of male is given 80, number of male is 100. So this product 80 into 100 is the wages given to the male workers. Average of female workers, wages of female workers is 70, number of female workers is 50. These two products will give the total wages given to the female workers. If we add this to it, it is the total wages divided by total number of male, female. Male is 100, female is 50. Now, if I take all the zeros, that is 1000 common, 201, 8, sorry, I will take 100 only, then 80 and here 35. In denominator, it is 100 plus 50 is 150. So we can cancel, and it is 5 2 are 10, 5 3 are 15. 2 into 5, it is this. Now if we divide, then its answer will come 76.67. So we can do this one. 230 by 3, 21, 20, and 3 6 are 18, and 76.7. So this is the total average wage of that workers. So students, I expect that 17, it is clear. It is only with the formula that total numbers can be get by multiplying the average into the total numbers of workers and divided by that one. So this you of course have to remember that one. So that much for today.